This bottle's been soaking for about 20 minutes in bleach. And this is what I use to clean the inside of my bottles. Sand and silver plate, cut up silver plate, silverware. Even all the old ones you find in the dump, you can cut them up. Bolt cutters. "20 minutes bleach." Put some sand in there. Look at that, it's already started to work. I forgot to show that bottle yesterday. Okay, so that's what I use. Sand, cut up silver plate. Some people use BBs. That was less than a minute of shaking. 20 seconds maybe. Alright, so that's how I do it.